guys, we ended up getting our new camera today. That is actually what we are filming on. Daddy's home. Welcome home. We're awake. Well, she just woke up.
Why are you awake?
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing.
I do have some wild hair right now, but I want to update you guys on our stair situation. So this is currently what we have going on. This is still some of the carpet left over that we haven't taken off yet because we're going to get like the click-in toppers or whatever they're called. Yeah, we managed to get all of the like boards here for the carpet because there was carpet on here. We just haven't gotten all of them. As you can see, there's one right there, and from like this step all the way up we have those little pieces. And the color of our carpet, the color of our carpet was actually this color. It was really kind of a ugly color. I mean, I'm not entirely complaining too much. It did its job. It kept our feet good, I guess, but it definitely wasn't our favorite. And we've been meaning to kind of get rid of the carpet and just kind of put wood on top of it for quite some time. We just never did, and we've been living here for about 3 years, and it's kind of a good thing because now that we have that, we can get our house ready to be sold. That way we can finally move out of here. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday, and oh my gosh, it totally blizzarded outside. Is that a word? I'm gonna make that a word. There's my sunshine. Thankfully, it snowed when Jacob was here this time, so I don't have to go out and shovel it. Jacob can, but yeah. Jacob is currently at a ice fishing contest with his dad, with my father-in-law, and yeah, it's just me and my little lady for right now. Well, I'm about to make some quick breakfast and tackle the day.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need, if I might say.
I feel so productive right now, and it's only like 12:30, I think. It's not even 12 yet. I feel so accomplished right now. I feel like I could go outside and shovel, but You guys, I've been saying this a lot, but it has been blizzarding outside. I don't think my itty bitty shovel is gonna do much damage to the amount of snow that there is outside. So I think I'll just have Jacob do it with the plow, because I'm not trying to be out there all day. But yeah, Jacob should come home in about 3 hours, and then we're actually gonna go to dinner with his parents, with my in-laws. Here's this beautiful little girl who was my little helper today. Our weekend vlog will probably not be that exciting, honestly. Honesty.
Can I have something when lunch is done?
What do you want?
Popsicle.
Okay, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, our weekend vlog probably won't be that intriguing because A, we got snowed in, so all we had to do was really film videos, and B, we got snowed in, so we really can't leave anywhere. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I just wanted to come on here super quickly and kind of give you guys a little life hack, if you want to call it that. So as you guys might know from watching my Q&A, I quit drinking soda back in like June, July, August time, and I actually lost a bunch of weight. I lost almost 10 pounds just by cutting out soda alone and drinking nothing but water. I figured out a little hack to, and don't get me wrong, I still crave soda. Like last night I craved a Pepsi so bad that I was so close to having Jacob pick me up a Pepsi at Quick Trip, but I didn't. My little life hack is, when I grab a Waterloo and a drink enhancer, put it in my stainless steel cups with some ice in it, and you guys, it tastes just like these two together taste just like a strawberry Fanta to me. I think they're so amazing. I call those my sodas because it honestly tastes just like I'm drinking a soda, except if you guys can't tell, this is 0 calories. I don't know if you're gonna be able to read this at all. This is also 0 calories. It's BPA free and non-GMO verified, so I'm assuming it's kind of healthy-ish. I don't know. But yeah, I just thought I'd like to share that little hack with you guys. I mean, I don't know, give it a try, it might help. Oh, that's weird.
Yummy.
Did you finish them all? Oh.
Mama.
Daddy, I'll show you in the playback. Daddy pushed a bunch of snow up. Are you ready to go have din din with Oma and Opa? Yeah? Ready? He's gonna do it again. He's such a man-child. You guys, it snowed a bunch. Like, I know I keep saying that, but it snowed a lot.
Yeah. Goo, goo.
My itty-bitty shovel would not have tackled the snow. I'm not, okay, so every time I say itty-bitty shovel, I feel like I'm saying that I have like a kid-sized shovel, which honestly I might as well, because I'm basically kid-sized, but we have like an adult shovel. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, that was a cool spin.
He's such a turd.
That makes my head so happy. Cool spin, Dad.
Alright, you guys, apparently we have a member of the Paw Patrol living with us. This is Rexlyn James, also known as Sky Paw Patrol. Alright, good morning you guys. It is Sunday today. We just woke up and realized that our furnace isn't working again. I don't even know what happened last night. Like, my whole house is just destroyed. Yeah, we normally keep it at 70. The house temperature is at 66. We had this happen one other time recently. I think he got it. Thank God for my husband. What's the trick to it in case it happens when you're gone?
Take both panels off, look at the light.
Thank God it happened when you're here though. Because I would not go in the basement.
It was a little wheelie, just spinning things.
This has happened one other time before, so every time I wake up I now check the thermostat because I'm a freeze baby. I like my hot house. And the second I opened our bedroom door, it was just like a cold front came in and I was like, oh, not again. But yeah, Jacob fixed it, thankfully.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me. Ooh, baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me, you and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing
I still have to
in?
brush my hair. What? Oh, you're gonna do my hair?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, you guys, I just filmed my C-section story with this one. So you guys will be getting that up soon, sometime this week. Thank you. I can't see. Here, we'll close this down so you can record. Okay, can you show them my scrunchie? Okay.
And
Did you put my perfume on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mommy showed them your popcorn up there.
Oh, okay, you guys. Yeah, I will show you guys Ivana's favorite snack right now. This popcorn. We honestly don't ever get popcorn anymore. We used to be huge popcorn people. Yeah, I was saying we are about to go have lunch with my in-laws again. And then, yeah, with Oma and Opa again. And then Jacob's got to fix the brakes of the car. Probably after that, we'll go pick up our grocery order, which I still have to place, and I should probably do that soon, shouldn't I? Say goodbye, guys!
Goodbye, guys. Like our channel.
Okay, it is late. It's 7:30 now. We got back from Oma and Opa's house, and he immediately went and fixed our car's brakes, and I didn't vlog anything, but I think that's gonna be all for our weekend vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of a long one. Be sure to stay tuned. We have 3 other videos going up this week, and then we will be taking a break for the weekend. But yeah, stay tuned. Jacob's just judging everything I'm saying right now.